Did you know that Pepsi is not just a thirst quencher, but also a secret cleaning agent? I guess that's one way to put some fizz into your cleaning routine. So without further ado, let's dive into the world of Pepsi cleaning. Ever tried to scrub off rust with a toothbrush and failed miserably? Well, Pepsi's got your back. Rust, that pesky iron oxide, has a knack for clinging onto our valued possessions, making them appear aged and neglected. But fear not. Our fizzy friend Pepsi is here to save the day. Pepsi, containing citric acid, works as a magic potion that breaks down those stubborn rust particles. Pour Pepsi generously over the rusted area. Let it bask in this bubbly bath for a few hours. Now grab your scrub brush and with a bit of elbow grease, bid adieu to the rust. Rinse the object and voila. What was once a rusted relic is now a refreshed treasure. Depending on how deep-seated the rust was, you might be looking at a completely rust-free item. So next time you see a rusted penny, don't toss it. Just give it a Pepsi bath. Oil stains can be as stubborn as a mule, but not when you've got Pepsi in your cleaning arsenal. Yes, that's right, the same fizzy drink you enjoy at barbecues and parties can also clean up those unsightly oil stains on your driveway. You see, the carbonation and acids in Pepsi are surprisingly effective at lifting stubborn oil stains. It's a simple process, really. You just pour enough Pepsi to cover the stain and let it do its magic. Depending on the severity of the stain, you may need to let it soak for a few hours, or even overnight. Then, armed with a sturdy brush, you scrub the area and rinse it clean. You'll notice that the stain is noticeably lighter, if not entirely gone. And just like that, your driveway is back to its former glory. So don't fret over that oil stain on your driveway, just crack open a Pepsi. Who knew that the solution to a grimy toilet bowl was sitting in your fridge all along? Yes, we're talking about Pepsi. The same fizzy drink that you enjoy during your breaks can also be your toilet's best friend. Here's how it works. Pepsi contains citric acid, which is a fantastic cleaning agent. It can dissolve mineral stains and grime that often accumulate in your toilet bowl. To give your toilet a Pepsi treatment, you just need to pour a can into the bowl. Make sure it covers all the stains. After that, let it sit for an hour or two. Now it's scrubbing time. Grab your toilet brush and start scrubbing the bowl. Once you're done, flush the toilet to rinse it clean. You'll be pleasantly surprised to find your toilet cleaner and brighter than before. So next time your toilet needs a clean, why not give it a Pepsi flush? Burnt pans can be a real pain in the neck, but not when you've got Pepsi at your disposal. Now, you might be wondering, Pepsi, really? And the answer is a resounding yes. The acid and carbonation in Pepsi work wonders in breaking up that stubborn, burnt-on food. Here's what you do. Pour enough Pepsi into the burnt pan to cover the bottom. Then heat it gently on the stove. As the Pepsi warms, you'll notice the burnt mess starting to loosen. That's your cue to grab a scrub brush and start cleaning. The grime should come off much easier now. Remember to rinse the pan thoroughly afterwards to remove any Pepsi residue. And there you have it, a clean pan with minimal elbow grease. So don't fret over that burnt pan, just simmer it with some Pepsi. Tired of your jewelry losing its sparkle? Pepsi to the rescue. You see, Pepsi isn't just for quenching thirst, it's also a surprisingly effective jewelry cleaner. The secret lies in its citric acid content, which gently breaks down the grime that dulls your precious baubles. To give your jewelry a new lease of life, simply place it in a bowl and douse it with Pepsi. Let it luxuriate in this fizzy spa for about an hour. Then, with a soft brush, gently coax away the dirt and debris. Rinse thoroughly afterwards. We don't want any sticky situations, do we? And voila, your jewelry will sparkle like it's fresh out of the jeweler's showcase. So next time your jewelry needs a shine, don't reach for expensive cleaners. Just give it a Pepsi soak. Who knew you had such a powerful cleaner sitting in your fridge? Indeed, it's been a revelation discovering how Pepsi, a simple soda, can be a game changer in your cleaning routine. From tackling stubborn rust to rescuing burnt pans to even sprucing up your jewelry, it's a versatile cleaning agent. And let's not forget its uncanny ability to remove oil stains and clean toilets. So next time you're sipping on a Pepsi, remember it's not just a soda, it's a cleaning sensation.